Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. The power method is an iterative algorithm used for finding the dominant eigenvalue and its corresponding eigenvector of a square matrix. This tutorial will guide you through the implementation of the power method in Python, along with a code example. The power method is based on the idea that if V is an eigenvector of a matrix A with eigenvalue lambda, then for any scalar C equals 0, CV is also an eigenvector with the same eigenvalue lambda. The algorithm iteratively multiplies the matrix A by a vector V and normalizes the result to converge towards the dominant eigenvector. Let's implement the power method in Python. In this example, the power underscore method function takes a square matrix as input, along with optional parameters for the number of iterations and tolerance. It returns the dominant eigenvalue and its corresponding eigenvector. The power method is a simple yet powerful algorithm for finding the dominant eigenvalue and eigenvector of a matrix. This tutorial provides a Python implementation and example usage. You can further explore this method by applying it to different matrices and experimenting with convergence parameters. ChatGPT